Student, today we are going to see Standard 5th English from Term 3. The unit name is My Duties. In this unit, we are going to see the supplementary, the case of the missing water. Come, let us move to the video session.
Unit 3 My Duties. In this unit, we are going to see the supplementary, the case of the missing water. The case of the missing water. Let us see the story. The tank in Divya's village was almost dry. That means the pond which is there in Divya's village, that is, that Divya is living in a village, was almost dry. That was a summer season, so that there is no water at all. So Amachi began to pray for rain. Now what the Amachi is doing? She is praying for the rain to the god. Amma collected all the buckets and pots as well as the vessel in the house and filled them up. Now what they are doing? Amma collected all the pots, buckets, whatever the empty vessels are there in the house. They have collected everything and filled them with the water. Now, after mother collected all the pots, vessels, everything, she needs to store more water as we can. That she want to store more water, however she can fill the vessels. Next, Appa collected tools to dig the little deeper. Now, father is taking some of the tools to make a deeper in size. Because of that, they can get much water. We just need enough until the rain arrives. So, before the rain comes, they want much water from the ground to save it. Divya got her notebook and pencil. Now, Divya got her notebook and a pencil. She put on her thinking cap and followed her parents to the tank. Now she has taken a note and a pencil and she is moving to the tank. That means she is moving to the pond where the water is dried. She examined the tank bed closely. She was looking around here and there. She is examining everything very clearly. It was cracked and dusty. You can see the cracked place. It will be like a lines will be there on the land. That is called cracked. And dusty. It is full of dust. Divya wondered, where did the water in the tank go? That means the water which is there in the pond, where it gone? We don't know how it gone. Did it run away? She is thinking whether the water will run away. Only the human beings, animals, birds will run. Others cannot run, isn't it? So she is thinking whether the water will run away from place. Otherwise, anybody stolen the water. What is this? We cannot understand anything. It is like a mystery. That means wondering of something. That is, we have to find out some cases that is called as mystery. Divya loved solving mysteries like the time Amachi could not find her reading glasses. First of all, Divya liked to solve many cases, which is like mysteries. That is, she is very eager to solve many cases. At that time, Amachi could not find her reading glasses. He was searching for the glass. Divya had found them in her book, marking the page where she is reading. Whenever Amachi reads the book, she will keep the specs inside the book. That's why it is like a bookmark. So Divya take that specs and she gave to her Amachi. I will find that water, Divya muttered to herself. Divya herself telling to herself that I will find the water very soon. Divya walked to the other side of the tank. Now she is moving to the next side of the tank, that is a pond. There she can find many past dead fish and dried reeds. That is, many dead fishes are there as well as dried deeds. That means You can see many plants which is so dry. That is called as reeds. Do you know where the water could have gone? She is asking to the fisherman. Divya is asking to the fisherman, do you know where the water gone? The fisherman is telling, downstream. The fisherman suggested downstream means it went down. I think the water went down because of the summer season. The fisherman is answering to the Divya. Divya followed the dry stream bed down the hill. At the bottom was another tank. It had lot of goats but no water. Yes, now where she is going? She is followed by a dry stream. Stream means it is a water flowing area. There is no water, but a shepherd is having lots of goat in that stream. Now what she is thinking? I don't know why they are having the goats here. There will be a water, no? What happened here? She is thinking in her mind. Divya asked the shepherd, do you know where the water might be? Now the shepherd is answering, I think it has been upstream. Upstream means everything was vapored and it went up. That's where I come from, Divya said. No water here. I am coming from the village. Who's telling? Divya is telling to the shepherd that I am coming from the village. Here there is no water at all. Now what she is doing? Further up then, the goat that said, that's where your water comes from. Divya climbed up to the tank. Then she climbed up some more to the tank further up the hill. There was no water, no birds, and there was only one person there. Now what she is doing? She is asking to the shepherd, I don't know where the water has gone. There is no water and no birds, only one person was there in that tank. Now what they are doing? Rani, I cannot find any water. Now the different character is entering into the story. Her name is Rani. She is telling, I cannot find any water in the stream. She is answering to whom? Divya. Any idea where it gone? Divya called to her. She knew Rani from school. Rani is coming from the school. She is asking to Rani whether did you know where the water has gone? Rani is telling, I think it has went downstream. Now what they are going? They both were very angry and looked at each other and they were be moving from that place. Divya was suddenly angry. She stomped her foot. Now what she is doing? She is stomped her foot. She is tapping the foot and she is telling, no. She shouted, it's not. I have searched and searched. It's not upstream or downstream. Now what she is telling? Divya is telling to everybody, no, I have searched everywhere but I cannot get the water. It not went for the upstream as well as the downstream. I don't know where it has gone. She got angry and informed to Rani. How about up there? Rani suggested. Now what they are doing? Divya and Rani looked up the sky. The sun glared back at them. Now what they are doing? They both were looking at the sky. The sun were glaring. Everything was white, hot and dusty. Now everything was very white and it was very hot and it was a dusty place. No, they agreed together. No water there? They were searched everywhere but there is no water. Divya collapsed into the boat with Rani. That means they both were have a conversation. Divya got collapsed totally. I don't know where the water has gone. She gone on the lotus stem. Now what she is doing? Divya and Rani wants to drink some water. They were very thirsty. So they have gone a lotus stem. Now they are taking a lotus stem and keeping it on her mouth. She was hot and tired. Now everybody was very hot and tired. They were searching for here and there for water, so they become very tired. Manju's parent left the village. If there is no water means what we will do? We will vacate that place. The same like Manju's parent. There was a village. In that village there was a Manju. Their parents were left the village because there is no water. They went to the city where they have water. Now they are moving for the city where they got water. They may be, we also will go there. Who's telling? Rani is telling to Divya. We also will go there and settle. In school, the class was half empty. More families had left the area. She missed all her friends. In a school, after Divya went for the school, she was seeing that class was very empty. Half a class was empty. More of the families, that means more members are went to the city because there is no water in the village. She missed all her friends. If everybody went means she will miss all the friends. In the EVS period, that is environmental studies class, she turned and ran out of the school. She turned and ran out of the school. She came back from the school. She finally sat on a roadside. Now where she is sitting? She is sitting on the road. There she's got an idea. I have to find the water. She puffed. That means she has muttered himself that she has to find the water. There a voice is coming from the outer side. Can I help? Said the voice. Do you know who's that? That is none other than Rani. Now Divya also said, yes, you can help me. Now both are going to help the village by doing a good things. Let us know what are the good things they are going to do. We have to do this properly, Rani said. Like real sanitary engineers, like who? Divya asked. Sanitary engineer builds pipe and tanks and drains. I'm going to be a one when I grow up, said by Rani. Rani and Divya decided to draw a map of their village and the tanks and stream, showing all the places where the water might have flowed. Let us see the explanation. That is, Rani and Divya is telling, both will have a conversation between them. In that, Rani is saying that I want to become a engineer. That means sanitary engineer. Sanitary engineer is nothing but they will build pipes, tanks as well as the drains. If I grew up, I want to become a sanitary engineer. Rani is telling to Divya, yes, we both should do the good things for our village. Come, let us study well and do the good things for our village. Where could I found the water? Finally, they sat and pored over the map. That means they are thinking, both were thinking that where we could find the water. Here, nowhere else the water is. Let us have an idea. They draw the map and they will be sketching everything, whatever the streams, pond, lakes, everything is there in the village. Divya pointed to one of the tanks they had drawn. Now they have drawn one of the tank. She is pointing out particularly that tank. Let us go, Rani said. They both were agreed to go and meet that tank. Now they both were climbing up the hill and they are going for to meet that pond as well as the tank. The stream has very dry as well as it is very hard and hot. That means the stream was becoming very dry. There is no water. There is not a single drop of water is there in the stream. Maybe we shouldn't have missed school. The tank is probably dry as well. Rani said sadly. That means we have missed all our school studies. We have came to here to see the tank. But here the tank is probably full empty. Now what we are going to do? We have already missed the school as well as this thing also. What we are going to do? We don't know. She is thinking in our mind. When they reached the tank, Divya and Rani realized they were wrong. This tank was full. Now what they are thinking? After climbing the mountain, they were going to see the tank. It was full and full of water. They have realized this was a wrong information. Rani pointed a small pump at the end of the lake. Now they are saying there is a lake. In that lake, there is an end point was there. There was seen a small pump. There was a tanker just below the bund collecting water as it flowed. Now what the boy is doing? There was a man standing and collecting all the waters as a tanker. Mystery solved, said Divya angrily. That means she have solved all the mystery. That means she got very angry that the man is collecting all the water with the help of the tanker. She don't know what to do with the help of a man. Now what she is going to do? She is thinking that where are you taking your water? Divya wanted to know. She wanted to know where the man is collecting all the water and where she is getting all the waters and what he is doing. She doesn't know both of them. So both were telling that we have to find the mystery soon. The city man said, I need to supply 9,000 liters today. The man is telling, I want to supply one day, that is per day. I want to supply 9,000 liters. So because of that only I am collecting the waters from the village. Now Divya got angry and she is going to do and solve the mystery now. Let us see how she is going to solve the mystery. After the man said, I want to collect the water, Rani is telling, it's not a fair because this is our village. How you can collect the water? She's telling that my friend is a sanitary engineer. Now Divya is going to know more about the details of this man. The man laughed. Sanitary engineer. It seems you are just a children. That means you are just a children here. You don't know what to do with me. Rani said quietly, yes, but I know you can just take care of a water away. Now what the man is going to do? Daily is taking the water 9,000 liters. Is every day is taking 9,000 liter means there will be no water in the village. Because of that they are going to do one idea here. They all went home. Divya had an idea. She hugged the pump. You cannot turn it. Now she hugged the pump. You cannot turn it on now. Rani ran up to hug the pump too. Now both were hugging the pump very tightly. They said the man, no, we cannot take you the water from here. Now what they are going to do? They got really angry. You just go home. We will not leave you to take some water. They both were hugging the pump very tightly, so the man cannot take the water from there. That was when a clouds broke, the rain poured. The monsoon is here, Divya shouted. I'm going home, even if you aren't, the tanker man said. It's rained and rained. Now what they are going to do? They hugged the pump very tightly. Meanwhile, the rain is pouring from the sky. The clouds are breaking here and there. It was lightning and thunder. Now the rain is coming very faster. I'm going home. Are you here? Now the man is saying, I want to go home. Hereafter, I will not come here to take a water. The rain had come. So I am very happy. You also happy here. Yes. Now Divya and Rani solve the mystery with the help of a rain. I hope you all understood about the story, the case of the missing water. Thank you, students.